afternoon. We are looking out on our Dakota Magic Casino Skycam in the southern end of the valley. You can see the flags. They're starting to whip around a little bit with the wind increasing out of the south. But I also want to point out we can see the field there. The snow really over this last weekend has melted away in that particular location, at least, that once was snow covered. So we've been seeing some of that melting in some areas here as we've been warming up, and we continue to keep that milder weather around, and that will have some impacts on us this afternoon as our Clipper moves in. It's already starting to roll into the valley. As we take a look on our radar and satellite map, you can see this is moving to the east here. We've got a line of snow showers, more substantial snow showers happening right now, and then there are a couple of areas where we may be seeing some flurries here this afternoon. So let's zoom in on this area as it continues to roll to the east. We're going to see that snow basically moving first to the Devil's Lake Basin and then march eastward from there. So Fargo, places over to the east, it may be a while before we see this. So perhaps some flurries initially, what we're seeing on the radar here in northeastern North Dakota, but definitely where we've got that deeper blue, that's where we're more likely to see that snow impacting us here today. So just west of Devil's Lake, moving into the Candu area, Rock Lake area right now, and eventually again rolling east from there. Light snow amounts, especially because temperatures are pretty mild. We won't get as much accumulation, but the wind is going to be a big problem. And when we factor that in with the falling snow, that's going to reduce our visibility here as we start to move into the afternoon hours. We already have some gusts into the 30s, a 31-mile-per-hour gust in Hallock, and over in Jamestown, 30 miles per hour there too. Could see them gusting higher than that as we continue through the day as this Clipper moves through and continues to whip up that wind. Pretty mild though. Temperatures are into the 20s to some low 30s. We're at 29 in Fargo, 26 in Grand Forks, a milder 34 over in Jamestown right now. And checking out your hour-by-hour planner as we whirl our way into the afternoon, we're going to see that snow, scattered snow, advance eastward. So what that means is not everybody is necessarily going to be impacted, and it may not last super long for anybody here in the valley. As we head into that afternoon time frame, again, the wind continues to pick up. We watch that snow roll eastward. Northwest Minnesota sees more of it at that point in time. In its wake, more scattered areas of snow and potentially, as you see here, some green on the map indicates the potential for some rain because temperatures are going to be pretty mild in our western viewing area, especially and down in the south with temperatures above freezing in those areas. As we continue on into the later afternoon and evening hours, that main band of snow continues to roll east. We're looking at that scattered kind of mixed bag of light precipitation rolling into our western viewing area at that point. Still have some wind stirring up that snow and causing some visibility issues. And heading into tonight, we're going to see that continue on as we work our way into the late night hours. So your drive home today, that evening commute, could get kind of messy with that snow, perhaps a little rain, maybe something in between falling and melting perhaps, so leading to some slushy conditions or even icy conditions in some spots. So getting slick out there is the bottom line, though it's not heavy stuff. Heading into the late night hours tonight, still seeing some lingering snow in northwest Minnesota, and that may add up. We may see a little bit more in some of those areas, maybe about an inch of snow by the time this is all said and done in the morning hours. The rest of us pretty light amounts. So checking out your 7-day planner, Tuesday quieter though, can't rule out a couple of flakes, and then heading into Wednesday and Thursday, another Clipper rolling through, bringing wind and some light snow. And as we head into the weekend, we see another chance for precipitation on Sunday. So getting a little more active into March.
Oh, but you cannot be mad about those temperatures.
Temperatures look good. Above freezing pretty much every day here.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.